Today, let's look at the effects of painful childhood experiences. All these painful experiences during one's childhood stage leave behind unhealed wounds in one's heart and recurring thoughts that limit one's ability to achieve his or her goals. Such effects include trauma. Trauma is a deeply distressing or disturbing experience that limit the individual's ability to cope with life. Second effect, chronic stress. This is a long-term state of being or feeling pressured and overwhelmed. High-stressing jobs, financial troubles. This can lead to chronic stress. Third point, low self-esteem. Low self-esteem is a negative view of one's own worth or value. Self-criticism. For example, when one is bullied or raped, can lead to low self-esteem. Another thing is poor self-perception. Poor self-perception is one's evaluation of their own traits, behaviors, or abilities. Note this. This is a point to note. Trauma can lead to negative effects on mental, emotional, and physical, such as accident or injury can lead to becoming crippled. If the experience is too strong, may lead to trauma or lack of self-acceptance, especially wakati mtu amegrow akiwa ako sawa, alafu inafika mahali anapata accident, anakatwa mguu moja ama mkono ama jicho, anakuwa akona some disability in his own or her own body. Hii inaweza changia sana mtu kufeel unworthy. Mtu anaanza kujichukia kwa sababu he or she might not accept the fact that this had happened and there's no way to change it. The above experiences that I've talked about can lead to internalized negative beliefs, shame, guilt, and lasting sense of worthlessness.